Hello friends, this is Dr. Abdul Mubin A. Mundewadi from Mundewadi Ayurvedic Clinic. In today's video, we will discuss the Ayurvedic herbal treatment of a comparatively rare disease known as myasthenia gravis. Now, myasthenia gravis is a medical condition characterized by weakness and rapid fatigue of voluntary muscles, in which the eye muscles and muscles of the face and throat, as well as the muscles of the arms and legs, are mostly affected. Now, this condition results from an immune dysfunction which reduces the effectivity of the neurotransmitter acetylcholine. This transmits impulses from the nerve endings to the muscles at the neuromuscular junctions. Now, myasthenia gravis is more commonly seen in women younger than 40 or in men older than 60. The common management of this is with the use of acetylcholine blockers, which make this neurotransmitter available for a longer time. Now, what is the Ayurvedic herbal treatment for myasthenia gravis? Now, this is aimed at treating the root cause of the disease. So, we use herbal medicines which strengthen the nervous system as well as the muscular system and give specific treatment to stimulate the neuromuscular junctions. So, herbo-mineral combinations which act on the central nervous system and which strengthen each nerve cells are used in high doses, so that the entire nervous system starts working properly. And medicines which act on muscle tissue and the nerves are also used here. And usually such patients have an immune dysfunction, so Ayurvedic treatment is also given to treat the immune dysfunction. Now here the approach with Ayurvedic medicines is slightly different as compared to modern medication. Modern medication aims to straight away reverse the pathology or the known physiology which is disturbed. Now in Ayurveda, our principles are slightly different. We treat it as a reduced Vata, and therefore we use different treatment modalities in combination with oral medication. Now this includes fomentation, Snehan Svedan, full body massage, and possibly other Panchakarma modalities like Nasya, Shirobasti, Shirodhara, and medicated enemas which are known as bastis. So this is a combination depending upon the symptoms of and presentation of each patient. We use this combination of oral medication and Panchakarma treatment modalities, and this gradually helps the patient to come back to normal. Initially we continue the modern medication, and then gradually that is reduced as the symptoms start reducing. So in this way the patient can be treated completely, and most of the symptoms can be treated and the patient can go into complete remission. Now the time can vary from person to person. So friends, this is a short description of Ayurvedic herbal treatment for myasthenia gravis. Let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.